Oh, maganda, di ba? Harley Davidson, USA. Ultra Classic. FJR. Kawasaki. Z1000. Kawasaki Z1000 din to. Di ba? ST1300. Triumph. BMW. Tayo mga group. Tayo mga grupo ng club. Yay. Okay.
Pretty much it's over like the tunnel until
Boulevard. Nice, ha? Nag-walking lang tayo ngayon kasi nakaraan kasi nakabike tayo.
Mainly motorbike.
Royal Enfield, oh. Triumph, Harley Davidson. Ikot tayo pa ikot. Nandun sa kabila, meron pa rin doon, no? Hindi sila ganun kadami ngayon, pero okay na rin. Nung nakarang Friday daw, nasa 100, almost 200 to sila dito. So, oh, siya, ayos. So, Harley, oh. Isa na iba, oh. Ayun pa yung mga kabila. Balikan natin yung mamaya. So, yan. Good morning. I'm good. Thank you. Ayun guys, yung isa dito sa mga grupo dito ng mga big bikers sa Harley Davidson Motorcycle Club. Kaya kasama ako sa trabaho. Napunta natin. Ayan. Kaya nyo naman kung gano'ng kagaganda yung mga motorcycle dito, no? Kulang pa sila ngayon dito. Nasa almost 1,000 daw sila dito, 1,000. Kasi isang club pa lang to. 600 sila pero hindi sila umatin lahat dito. Umatin lang mga nasa 200, 150. Pero nasa almost 1,000 daw sila. Yan yung may-ari ng fish and chips. Punta na natin si Trevor para makawi tayo. Mga guys. Trev, see you on Monday, eh?
yeah, man.
See you on Monday. Say hi to my vlog.
Yeah, get on that big Harley and fucking take it quiet going out of here. We don't want attention.
Where's your bike? Where's your bike now? Where's sitting? Ah, sitting there at the back. Yeah.
Yeah, mine's the one with the real carrier.
Yeah. All right. See ya. Yeah. See ya. See ya Monday. Yeah. Sir. What do you do for a living?
Hey, work at taxi.
What do you do for a living?
Hey,
What do you do for a living?
motor trimmer.
Motor trimmer. Yeah. Champion.
Hey.
Okay.
Yeah,
Ride safely, ah.
yeah, that's it. Can have a pee and
Yeah.
go for a ride again.
Where are we going now?
Bundaberg.
Bundaberg.
Yeah,
After
up
here.
here.
After
Then
here.
go to Bundaberg, back to Apple Tree Creek. Then tomorrow, Pinkham Bay.
Nice, eh?
Got a bike, got to wear it out.
Take care. Take care
Yeah.
of yourself. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching.